So that is how you connect to your fans.
I love it. I'm so happy that I'm part of a profession where I get the opportunity to doll up and like play dress up. It's every girl's dream, so it's great. It's good fun.
What a fashion niche you
But this is going to be really cliche, but it's true. It's just, you know, just expressing your own personality and just allowing yourself. See, for me, like I said, I'm really lucky that I'm in this profession because I can actually wear those runway pieces and then come for these lovely glamorous events. So yeah, it's fun. Thank you.
Fashion niche is all about fashion here today.
I'm fashionable. This is fashion. Looking good, feeling comfortable, making people turn and look at you.
So as being an actor or an actress, how important is to be trendy, fashionable when you turn out for events or shoot?
Very important because people look up to you, copy you, aspire to wear what you wear. So it's always important to set a trend or try and set a trend. And I think as celebrities, actors, actresses, or being part of any industry, like I said, everyone looks up to you, so just look your best, be good.
Bollywood, the Bollywood is सबसे
फैशनेबल फ्रेंडली मेरे ख्याल से अमंगस्ट एक्टर्स सैफ बहुत ही फैशनेबल हैं. एक्ट्रेसेस दीपिका मैं मानता हूँ कि बहुत फैशनेबल है. ठीक है, थैंक यू. क्रिसमस प्लान्स क्या बात कर रहा है यार? टेक्स्ट किया तूने? टेक्स्ट करना, ऐसे पता नहीं लगेगा मुझे. या हाँ, fashion is very important, of course. Comfort comes before style, but at the same time I'm not very radical with fashion. I probably just add my own little quirk, like a bright flower on my left. That's about it. Otherwise I play it classic and little quirk in the whole ensemble. That's it.
As a public figure,
Yeah.
कितना important होता है events पे या shoots पे well dressed जाना या फिर कोई trend set करके आना?
I think it's very important, of course. You have to follow the trend. At times you make your own trends, and having said that, you have to just crack the right mix. That's it.
तो Bollywood में सबको सबसे ज़्यादा fashionable और attractive बोले
I think सबसे fashionable. I think Ranveer Singh is very very radical, and he can carry off anything. I think he's of course very fashionable, and he's very brave with the choices he makes with fashion, and that's amazing. Actress would be Deepika, of course. I think she's perfect. Yeah. In fact, my new single will coming out on 13th of December. It's called Yahi Hu Main with Yami. I'm looking forward to that. And shooting in Jan. Yes, thanks.
Thank you. I am wearing Jean Paul Attakal, and yeah, that's the person I'm wearing.
How important is fashionable when you go out to shows, events, or
That's how you're getting to fans as well.
I think it's a lot of pressure. I think it's extremely important because people are just looking up to you, but I don't think you need to be this other person that you're not. So it's just important to be yourself, most importantly, and then, yeah, pay a little bit of attention. But even if you don't want to pay attention, don't worry about it too much.
So what really matters to you, being trendy or being fashionable?
I think none of the above, being stylish, because style is absolutely classic and timeless, and fashions and trends come and go.
So from Bollywood, do you find being fashionable more attractive and more stylish as an actor and an actress?
I think something that you can own. I would say Anil Kapoor is very stylish as an actor. I think Rekha ji, of course, is timeless and has always been extremely stylish. But as for the rest of them, there are lots of them who are, you know, new age and very, very cool, like Sonam and Deepika. And I love the way Kareena carries off anything, whether it's Indian or Western. So yeah, I mean, it's. Sorry guys, it wasn't my fault. I'm sorry. So yeah, it's just great to be a part of an industry where people take fashion so seriously.
तो आपने recently कहा था working on something. Would you like to share something?
Yes, I am currently working on a brand new addition to a very old show called MTV Roadies, and I'm going crazy seeing how much influence the youth has on a nation like ours, and how much fun I'm having on the show. I can, for the first time, be myself, and I don't have to hold back when it comes to cracking a joke or being upset or being angry, and it's great fun. I'm really enjoying it.
So like Superstar, they're taking a step in reality shows. Even Neha is taking a step in reality shows.
Well, it's not my debut as a reality star, but definitely my debut as a judge on a show that is, which I like to say, it's not reality, but it is the truth of the fact that of the youth that is so passionate, so courageous, and trying to do something out there. No, the Mumbai auditions have happened. Delhi auditions have happened. I'll be flying out tomorrow for Chandigarh and then Lucknow. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
I'm wearing George's Chakra, and my earrings are very special today because I'm wearing the Legends of Fashion on my ear. So that's Karl Lagerfeld, who is the creative fashion force behind Chanel, and that's obviously Coco Chanel, who is Chanel.
भैया एज बी अ पब्लिक फिगर तो कितना इम्पोर्टेंट होता है वेल ड्रेस और वेल फैशनेबल ट्रेंडी होके बाहर आना
आई थिंक वेल ड्रेस्ड होना सबसे ज़्यादा आई थिंक मोर देन उससे ज़्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है कंफर्टेबल होना अपने स्किन में एंड टू जस्ट बी ऑब्वियसली प्रेजेंटेबल नाम की कुछ चीज़ होती है बट मोर देन बीइंग फैशनेबल आई थिंक इट्स जस्ट टू बी अप टू डेट विद द करंट ट्रेंड एंड टेकिंग रिस्क्स इन लाइफ रादर देन स्टिकिंग टू वन थिंग बट मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंटली टू शो योर पर्सनैलिटी. No hidden agenda, just very happy with all the love and yeah, hopefully you'll keep saying these things whenever I come on the red carpet and I'll keep feeling happy. I think actor में I've always loved Mr. Bachchan's style. I think he's absolutely amazing and बहुत ही trendy है. So Mr.
कितना बोलेगी हाँ? इसका मुंह मैं जिप कराने आई हूँ.
बोलना पड़ेगा मैं बोलूँगी आज मैं बोलूँगी.
चलो साथ में बोलेंगे.
क्या बोलेंगे साथ में?
Mr. Bachchan's style.
Which actor style you love the most?
Whose style? I think Akshay Kumar because he can carry
Yeah.
off anything. He's a very
With his
fit
salt
person.
and pepper look, he's looking amazing.
And he's so fit, like you
Yeah.
can put a gunny bag on him and he will look nice.
और actress की बात करें तो you are an actress also earlier.
Sorry, which actress I find very fashionable? I think I love Kangna's style. I think she's damn gutsy and risky and she's very cool.
Yeah, I agree and I also like Deepika. I think she's very. मेरे लिए पहले इनका मैं सवाल जवाब दे दूँ. हाँ, yeah, I think Deepika is very effortless in her style and I really like the way she dresses. I think she's so fit that she can carry off anything. Again, same reason as Akshay.
I think ऐसे तो नाम लेना है तो हम नाम लेते जा सकते हैं.
Sonakshi, I have one point on that. You took a pause. John की injury के बाद you have to take a pause on course 2.
No, we are starting our shoot very soon. Don't worry. Yeah, he's fit and fine. All good.
How's it shaping up now?
Well, so far so good. I'm happy with what's been happening and looking forward to it. Yeah, it's something like I've never done before. So.
It'll be a forceful film.
Yeah.
What about you?
फैशन के क्या मायने आई थिंक हमारी इंडस्ट्री में बहुत ज़्यादा मायने रखते हैं आजकल क्योंकि लोग हमारी फिल्में देखते हैं और फैशन को वहाँ से फॉलो करते हैं. आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट द लाइक फ्रॉम द हार्टलैंड जो मासेस होते हैं वो हम फिल्मों को देख के फैशन को फॉलो करते हैं. आई थिंक इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट इन टुडेज डे एंड एज.
I think she's very cool. I think मेरे सबसे ज़्यादा I think when I look out for airport looks तो मैं सोनाक्षी की look देखती हूँ क्योंकि she's always rocking the airport look और वो I think सबसे difficult होता है because that's usually your inherent style. उसमें कुछ styling वाइलिंग नहीं जाता है.
हमको तो जो मिल जाता है मैं पहन लेती हूँ.
Oh yeah, that's something तो inherent style ही इतना cool और edgy है. So I think that's
बहुत अच्छा. I think she's a very
see my
stylish.
earrings.
Very nice. See my ring. एक से बढ़कर एक यहाँ पे.
Out of the accessory.
कपूर एंड सन्स की बात करें तो वो कैसे शेप अप हो रहा है कुछ उसके बारे में
शेप अप हो रहा है और वो ऊपर आने वाला है अभी अगले साल मार्च को रिलीज होने वाली है पिक्चर. सो वेरी एक्साइटेड अबाउट दैट. मेरी अगली रिलीज है सो ऑब्वियसली नर्वस एंड वेरी एक्साइटेड.
Everyone have areas of improvement in life, but we need a proper guidance for the areas of growth. Can you point out one thing that you don't like about Sonakshi and Sonakshi one thing you don't like about Alia, please?
Don't like.
There's nothing I don't like about her. She's fantastic.
नहीं खुशी का माहौल है. We don't not like anything about each other.
She's
We're happy people.
Yeah.
Only few days to go and Christmas is on board. Any plans for Christmas this year?
Merry Christmas.
I'm shooting.
And I'm shooting. And then I'll eat dinner with my family at home. Big dinner. बस हो गया हम लोग यहाँ पे बैठ के कॉफी पी रहे हैं.
Makeup and my hair people to thank because without them I don't think we can be put together like the way they do.
But Malaika, कितना important होता है for an actor or an actress to turn out to be more stylish, more fashionable, more trendy when they come out for events, shoots or red carpets?
बहुत ही मुश्किल है because मीडिया वाले हमें छोड़ते नहीं. Given a choice, if it left to me, I would be in my jeans and my t-shirt because मैं उसमें सबसे comfortable हूँ. लेकिन unfortunately वो तो हम कर नहीं पाते. So, but it's lovely. I think that's the whole part of the business where you get to play dress up, you get to walk the red carpet, you get to wear the most beautiful clothes. So अच्छा लगता है. And especially at events like this where it is all about fashion and glamour. तो all the more reason you make that extra effort.
So paparazzi says that you work hard and you party harder. So how do you manage both of that? So, there are so many pictures of it. Always there's you coming out of all you're out of sense house, somewhere or the other you party words.
Really? I didn't know that. Well, that's the whole point. अगर आप अपनी ज़िंदगी मतलब कुछ बैलेंस नहीं करो या ज़िंदगी बराबर से ना जियो तो what is the point? You have to have a good time. You got to balance your life, make the most of it. You have one life, make the most of it.
ये भी कहना एक्सपोजर कि मलाइका अरोड़ा से लकी चांद पर होगी अगर वो एक सॉन्ग कर ले तो मूवी हिट सुपर हिट और सुपर डुपर हिट होनी है तो how do you take it as are you there in Sultan also doing something?
I think that's very sweet, but I don't believe in that. But it's a very sweet notion if you do say that. So. Christmas, like every year, is a family affair for me, and हम सब family साथ सब मिलते हैं, and it's a big Christmas lunch. We go to church. The normal, it's the same thing every year, but that's what we love. It's tradition, and we love it. Thank you.
Like I want to ask.
Super success, man. I'm in the first film, first ball 6, so it's a great feeling, yeah, obviously.
We are celebrating it ever since.
Yeah.
So,
How important is fashion?
Very important. I think, especially in today's time, it's very important to look presentable, and I think we have a natural interest in that. So I think it's important.
So when we go out to actually go out to shoot, तो कैसे balance करते हो आप being fashionable, being trendy, being stylish because after movies, there's so many things.
I think so. Also, I don't believe in blindly following fashion. Fashion is about what looks nice on you and how comfortable are you in it. So whether it be shoot or be anything apart from shoot, it's all about how comfortable and how how.
And she can pull off anything. Don't worry. Trust me. I've seen her
So it's
pulling
all
it
about
off.
that.
So it's all good.
बॉलीवुड से आपको एक एक्टर और एक्ट्रेस नहीं करना होगा इन फैशन कौन लगता है?
I think all of them are so good looking and everything. Yeah. I think starting from Salman Bhai to everyone. I think Hrithik Roshan, Amir Khan. I think all of them are extremely. I mean, SRK obviously being on the top of the list. So yeah.
I'm wearing Amit Agarwal.
And you know,
Well, these are just my personal solitaires.
so how important is being fashionable when you go out to shoots, red carpets, or an event? How important to be fashionable out there?
Well, I think it is very there is a certain red carpet fashion that everyone follows. So I think it is important, and as a girl, I love dressing up, so I love red carpet events.
अगर बॉलीवुड की बात करें तो बॉलीवुड की सबसे फैशनेबल एक एक्टर और एक्ट्रेस
Well, I've always said that I think the most fashionable and the most stylish is Kangna for me, and in men, undoubtedly Saif. Yes.
What have you seen last year Christmas plans?
Well, I don't really know what my Christmas plans are, but I love Christmas. I think the festivities have already started, and there's a lot of fun going on. So I'm looking forward to Christmas, and I'm sure it'll be nice. Thank you.
How are you? देखो सर, मैं सीख रहा हूँ अभी ज़्यादा सीखा नहीं हूँ. मेरी स्टाइलिस्ट है अभिलाषा, जिससे थोड़ा बहुत सीखने मिल रहा है अभी. पर स्टाइल is when you feel good, yeah. When you're fine with what you're wearing and you feel good. I think that's what style is. And अभी बहुत सीखना बाकी है बस.
Public figure, you need to be stylish because people look up to you. So how do you manage and balance both of them when you come out for shoots, when you come out for red carpet, when you come out for events? How do you manage all that?
I think this is my second red carpet, so I'm learning right now. But hopefully I'll get better and better. Each time I'm on the red carpet, and maybe I'll be able to give better answers to when I have more red carpet experience.
Should you look up to someone about your father and about the answer? Look up to someone who is so fashionable?
For style, I would say Jackie sir, Sunil sir, two alpha males in our industry, so definitely them. Yes.
Actresses की बात करें तो आप कौन fashionable है?
I think Sonam, Atiya, and Deepika.
I think fashion is a part of every single one of us in our own way. क्योंकि ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए that you should wear this or this or this. Your own style, your own fashion statement should be a part of you, like you.